In most cases, parts that can be manufactured in real life are created using CAD software. If you don't have access to a multi-thousand-dollar CAD program, there are free alternatives like FreeCAD, as well as affordable professional options such as the SolidWorks for Makers package, designed for hobby users. You'll find the links in the description. Once you've finished your 3D model, export it in step format. Keep in mind that many programs on the market allow direct export to OBJ or FBX, and many users also export in STL format. However, from a topology standpoint, exporting as a step file still provides the best results. The simplest solution is to convert the step file into a Blender-compatible format. This can be done using the free Open Cascade CAD Assistant converter or with the paid 3ds Max modeling software. Let's take a look at the differences. When using Open Cascade, export your step file as a GLTF file. This format is not only perfect for Blender, but it also preserves material assignments in complex assemblies made up of multiple parts, especially when those parts are already color-coded for clarity. This can significantly speed up your workflow in Blender. The only downside of this method is that you don't have control over the polygon count of the model. In some cases, you may need either higher or lower detail. When using 3ds Max, you can adjust mesh resolution during step import using a slider. For example, in our case, the Open Cascade converter generated about 27,000 triangles for our bottle model. In 3ds Max, the default setting resulted in 14,000 triangles, the lowest setting around 11,000, and the highest setting over 2 million triangles. Please note that the Open Cascade team has done an excellent job, and in most cases their converter is more than sufficient. However, with our current bottle model, you can clearly see a smoothing issue around the threaded neck due to tessellation artifacts. One possible solution would be to export the threaded section and the bottle as separate objects, but we won't go into that now, since 3ds Max already produced excellent results, even with a lower polygon count. To achieve smoother curves, I'll import the bottle using a higher detail setting. From here, we can export it as an FBX file and then import it into Blender. In my next video, I'll cover additional common issues and solutions when preparing CAD files for rendering. Thanks for watching.